I'm from Section 2 for Computer Programming BDA 24202. I would like to reach Dr. Zainab bin Yunus. So for my project, there are given two scopes, which is fluid mechanics and also fluid dynamics. So I choose fluid mechanics for my project. My project is about pressure in fluid in liquid. So what is pressure in fluid? A fluid is a substance that flows easily. Gases and liquids are fluids, although sometimes the dividing lines between liquids and solids is not always clear. Because of their ability to flow, fluids can exert buoyant forces, multiply forces in a hydraulic system, allow aircraft to fly and ships to float. So for my project, this topic will be explored about pressure and depth, which we can see from here. So if a fluid is within a container, then the depth of an object placed in that fluid can be measured. The deeper the object is placed in the fluid, the more pressure it experiences. This is because it's the weight of the fluid above it. The more dense the fluid above it, the more pressure is exerted on the object that is submerged. Due to the weight of the fluid, when you deal with a pressure of a liquid at rest, the medium is treated as a continuous distribution of matter. But when you deal with a gas pressure, it must be approached as an average pressure from molecular collisions with the walls. Pressure in a fluid can be seen to be measure of energy per unit volume by means of the definition of works. So for my project, I use water, liquid, to find the pressure in different values of height. So this is the case for my project, which is to find the pressure for the liquid in the in case for the container. So for this one is height, and for the density is specific, which is for my project I use water as a liquid. So the density for it is 1000, and the gravity is fixed already, which is 9.81. So for my case, I only have to find pressure in terms of height for the case. So it will be five different value of heights for my project. So this is the formula I will use. P equals to rho GH. So now I will show my flowchart for my project. This is the first function, and this is the second function, and the last one is third function. In this project, I have 4 loops. This is the first loop. This is second loop, and this is third loop, and the last one is here, fourth loop. Okay, I will explain about the first loop. First loop is when the I is not more than equal to 0, it will print the pressure, and if I is not more than 0, it will print A, B, and PP pressure and will go to N. If it is yes, it will print pressure and will add the increment as this till it reach the 5 as we coding to the program. So the second one, for my second function, first we need to define A equals to density, B equals to height, and we print P, and we'll calculate the pressure A and B. So for my third function, first we will process the formula for the project, which is pressure, calculate pressure and height in terms of array, and we print AB pressure, and we display height density pressure for the read 5, and we print pressure. So then this is the second loop. When I is not more than 5, it will print calculation for pressure number, and we'll get density 5, height 5, and we calculate in the term of formula, and we display print pressure, and then keep on added the increment till it reach not more than 5. Okay, for not more than 5, it will print the calculation, and we go to the third loop. So here, the third loop is when it print yes. When it is yes, I is not more than 5. We enter the density, height, gravity, pressure until the increment is not more than 5. If it is more than 5, here we print the results, print the density, height, pressure, and go to the fourth loop here. If it is not more than 5, it will print display to, as we can see here, density, height, pressure, and we added the increment till reach not more than 5. If it is not more than 5, it print and end. So I will try to run the coding. Here. So I'll try to run the coding. So we insert the density, which is 1000. First height we use 25 meter, 1000, and second height we use 30 meter. Density, third height we use 35 meter. Next, the next height we use 40 meter, and the last one is we use 45 meter. So this is the result we get from a project. Here it's the same calculation here, the answer and for the coding.